morning, children. This is your social teacher. In previous class, we have learned about the how our earth looks. Second lesson, how our earth looks. In that lesson, we discuss about we learn about the globes and maps. Globe and maps. Today we learn about the oceans, continents and compass directions. Okay, today we learn about the oceans, continents, directions and compass. Okay children, all of you listen to me carefully. You have a textbook. Once you look in your textbook. Oceans, very large water bodies are called the oceans. Very large water bodies. Very large water bodies are called the oceans. There are 4 main oceans on the earth. Their names are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The surface of the earth has many smaller water bodies. These are called seas, gulfs, bays, lakes, ponds or rivers. Okay children, once you look at large water bodies, very large water bodies are called the oceans. There are how many oceans? 4 main oceans. There are 4 main oceans on the earth. That is the first one is the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. These are the 4 main oceans on the earth. 4 main oceans on the earth. The largest ocean, which is the largest ocean? The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Then Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is smallest ocean. Then the surface of the earth has many smaller water bodies. Many smaller means like the rivers, ponds, lakes. These are all the smallest smaller water bodies. Smaller water bodies. Okay children, are you understood this? How many oceans ma? 4 main oceans. That is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Okay children, once oceans. What are the oceans? Very large water bodies. Very large water bodies are called the oceans. Okay. Then next, continents. Continents. All of you look in your book. Very large land masses are called the continents. There are 7 continents on the surface of the earth. Their names are Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. Okay. Listen carefully. Very large land masses. Very large land masses are called the continents. Very large land masses are called the continents. These continents is how many continents? 7 continents on the earth. How many continents ma? 7 continents on the earth. The Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. North America, South America. These all are the 7 continents on the earth. 7 continents on the earth. Very large land masses. Very large land masses are called the continents. These are 7 continents on the earth. That is Asia, Africa, Antarctica, smallest continent. Okay, our country India, our country, which is our country ma? India. Our country also lies in Asia continent. Our country India is lies in Asia continent. Are you see the world map? In that world map, our India in Asia continent, lies in Asia continent. This is our India. Children, once you look this Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctica Ocean. Okay, Antarctica Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, then continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica. Okay, children, this is the oceans and the continents. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and also deepest ocean. Largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent, and then smallest continent is the Australia. Children, here given the test yourself, find the names. All of you write this, the smallest ocean. Which is the smallest ocean ma? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. The smallest continent. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. All of you write these blanks. Okay ma? Then directions. We discuss about now directions. So what is this ma? Directions. 4 main directions. You know that? 4 main directions, that is south, north, east, west. South, north, east, west. These are 4 main directions. Once you look in your book, there are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. These directions help us to locate places on a map. These directions help us to locate on map. When we hang a map on the wall, the first, this upside is a south and bottom is a north. This up is a south, bottom is north. This right side is a east, this left side is a west. These are 4 directions. These are the 4 directions. Okay, children. These located on a map. When we are hang a map, we look at the directions. We look at these directions on a map. Once you stand like this, children, like this. Okay, this up. Up is the south and bottom is the north. This right is east. This is the west. Okay. The direction can also be found with the help of a compass. The direction can also be found with the help of a compass. This compass looks like a watch. This compass looks like a watch. It has a magnetic needle which moves freely. The needle always points in the north-south direction. The compass used by the sailor to find their way on the open ocean is called the mariner's compass. Children, once you listen ma, the directions, how many directions? 4 directions. How many directions ma? 4 directions. That is a south, north, east, west. The up is the south, down is the bottom is the north, right is east and left is the west. Okay. These directions, the directions also can be found with the help of a compass. What is this? Compass. This compass look like a watch. This compass look like a watch. Once you look this picture ma, once you look this picture, this is the compass picture. These pictures look like a watch. This is a compass look like a watch. It has magnetic needle. It has magnetic needle. It is moves freely. It moves freely and the needle always points. This needle always points the north south. This needle always points the north south direction. The compass used by sailors means some boat or ships. The sailers used these open oceans. Open oceans is called the mariner's compass. This compass used in the sailors to find their way. Find their direction in the open oceans is called the mariner's compass. This mariner's compass used in the open oceans. Okay, children. Once, children, I am repeated again. A model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. A drawing of the whole earth or part of it. Map. The map is a drawing of the. Map can be carried anywhere easily. The map can be carried anywhere easily. Atlas, a book of maps. Atlas is a book of maps is called the atlas. More than maps in that book. Once you check that bookmark, then very large water bodies. Very large water bodies are called the oceans. Very large water bodies are called the oceans. There are four oceans. There are four oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic. Largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Next, the very large land masses. Very large land masses is called the continents. These continents, how many? 7 continents. Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. Largest continent is Asia. Largest continent is Asia. Smallest continent is Australia. Our country India lies in also the Asia continent. There are 4 main directions. There are 4 main directions: south, north, east and west. The up is when we are located its directions on a map. This is up is the south, bottom is north, right, east, left, west. The directions also can be found with the help of a compass. This compass used in a open oceans. Okay, children. Thank you, children. All of you read this lesson. Read this lesson. The page number is 12, 13 and then 14. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.